There are a few ways to place objects using LightStanza. If you're working with a Revit export, you can relocate any of the initial objects that were imported. Just make sure to right click, select unlock position, and that will free the object to be moved into a new location on the lighting plan. Another way to do it is to make copies of existing geometry. So that same right-click menu, I can make a copy and place new instances that weren't in the original Revit file and update the environment that way. And there's also the ability to mirror using a similar technique. So you'll right-click and then draw a mirror line, and it'll place a new instance of that table on the other side of the line. If you need to add new geometry beyond what was available in the Revit model, you can also right click and then imported object will open up the LightStanza object menu. And this gives you some flexibility to create new geometry, so it can be an arbitrary polygon shape, or you can refine it a little further with some of these other tools. But I'll right click and select here to close the loop. And so now I have a new object that can also be moved and copied and mirrored as we saw before with Revit. And then the third way to bring objects in is using these other import options. Beyond Revit, you can import a 2D CAD file, or you can import from SketchUp using the object button. Hope that helps.